make duct tape stuff.
Duct tape.
It's awesome. So duct tape is made of 3 layers: plastic, fabric, and a rubber-based adhesive.
An adhesive is anything that sticks things together, either forever or just for a little while. Since duct tape is a pressure-sensitive adhesive, it can pretty much do both. Duct tape is said to be so strong, it can pull a car out of a ditch.
Whoa, that is a perfect project for another day, Campbell. Today, we're just gonna make duct tape pouches! For this project, all you're gonna need is really one thing: duct tape. If you wanna get fancy, you can either get a utility knife, and if you're gonna use a utility knife, it's a good idea to get a cutting board so you don't ruin your parents' furniture like I did once or twice. We're not gonna talk about it. So let's get started. This is what you're gonna do. You're going to take your duct tape. Oops. You're gonna take your duct tape and you're going to, you can start, make what's called duct tape fabric. Now, as you get into your duct tape crafting, you're gonna find that duct tape fabric is a really common starter for all duct tape crafts. And this is how you make it. So you're going to pull out about 12, for this project, about 12 inches of duct tape, about 5 to 7 strips. And once you have your strips laid out, you're going to basically stick the edges together. Perfect. So now we both have our duct tape sheets. Now you want to put it back down, adhesive side up, and since we are decorating, we're going to do a two-tone pouch. We're both going to do a two-tone pouch. I'm going to pick up my other design or duct tape color, and I'm going to use cheetah because I'm totally awesome and wild and crazy, and she's going to use checkerboard because
I'm awesome.
Totally. Then you're going to go back over the adhesive side up with putting adhesive side down so it sticks together like a sandwich. That is going to create your fabric. So, we're going to go over it, just like I said, adhesive side down, onto adhesive side up. As you can see, now we have our fabric. Now you're going to see that there's adhesive kind of sticking out along the sides. To get rid of that, you can do one of 2 things. If you want to be really neat and fabulous, like my girlfriend Cam over here, you're going to grab your utility knife and your cutting board, and you're going to do cleanup cuts. What that means is you're going to use the utility knife to go along the edges to cut off any of the excess. Now, if you're going to use your utility knife, first of all, you should make sure that someone that is older than 12 is hanging out with you. The second thing you're going to do is keep in mind a few safety tips. Now, let's go over what those safety tips are. First of all, it's holding the utility knife properly. You're going to hold it firmly in your hand and then use your index finger at the head of the blade and use that as a guide. Perfect. Then you're going to make sure you're holding your duct tape fabric or whatever it is that you're going to be cutting, be that paper or plastic or aluminum, holding it with the other hand firmly, and then you're going to press firmly and go slowly. Make sure you never take your eyes off this project. Don't let anything distract you. Now there's another way that you can do this too. You can clean up your edges. It's the lazy way, or what I like to call the Crazy Aunt Lindsey way, and that is simply fold the tape onto itself.
Wow, that looks really good.
Okay, so now we're going to make our pouch. All you have to do now is simply fold it in half. Now that it's folded in half, you have your basic pouch. Now all you have to do is secure the edges with 2 pieces of duct tape. All you need to do now is measure out the approximate size of your new edges. Mine is about 4 inches. So you need 2 strips that are approximately 4 inches. Adhesive side up. And then bring your pouch to about midway. I'm gonna tape it over. And then I'm gonna repeat it on the other side. Perfect. Now we have our
pouches.
Duct tape pouches. Kim, what are you going to use your duct tape pouch for?
I'm gonna use mine for a pencil case for schoolwork.
And I'm going to use mine as a makeup case for makeup I don't even own. What? So everybody, this is what happens with the magic of duct tape. Thank you very much for tuning in. For projects like this and more, please go to crazyauntlindsey.com. Definitely join the conversation at Facebook/crazyauntlindsey, and I'm always up to no good at the Twitter handle and Lindsey.
Don't speak it. Tweet it.
Wait, please don't speak it.
Tweet it, don't speak it.
This is Crazy Aunt Lindsey, and we made duct tape pouches today.